Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you this really cool sensory bubble pop toy. So this is actually a times table for your kids, and it's actually really fun because you have the bubbles that you can pop. So it's a good learning activity for your kids, especially if they're learning their times tables. It's one that my daughter is having a hard time with, and she does have sensory issues. So I thought that this would just be the best activity to have. You have multiple uses for it. You can see where the times is up in the corner, and you literally just follow the chart. You have 1 to 12 going to the side, and you have 1 to 12 going down, and you're literally gonna follow, let's say the 6, and then you go down 3, and 6 times 3 is 18. You can pop the bubbles if you want. You can create games if you want. It's just something that I thought was really fun for my daughter. It's a nice big size as well, and I love how colorful it is. It just keeps you busy and entertained for hours, and it's also a fun learning activity. That's just my point of view.